Hi dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back with an Arabian rice dish, Maqlooba. The word Maqlooba is Arabic for upside down rice that's very versatile. It consists of meat, rice and fried vegetables placed in a pot which is flipped upside down when served. Hence the name Maqlooba. Hope you'd like it. Let's start. First, let's soak the rice. Traditionally, it made with Egyptian rice, but nowadays it's very common to be made with long grain Basmati rice. Here, I'm taking 2 cups of Basmati rice. Rinse well and soak for 30 minutes. Take the vegetables. The main vegetable is either eggplant or cauliflower, and add capsicum, onion, potato, tomato or any other varieties you like. Cut it into 1/4 inch thick. And cut the capsicum into big cubes. Sprinkle some salt over the vegetables. Deep fry the eggplants and potatoes. Shallow fry the rest of the vegetables. Don't over fry, fry for 1 to 2 minutes. In the same pan, add a tablespoon oil and 100 grams tomato paste and 1/4 cup water. Saute for a minute. You can also use tomato sauce or tomato puree instead of tomato paste. Add half teaspoon pepper powder, half a teaspoon mixed spices powder. Again, you can use Biriyani masala instead of spice powder. And just a pinch of salt. Saute and cook for 2 to 3 minutes or until it's slightly thickened. These are the preparation. Now let's make the rice. Take a thick bottom pot, add 2 to 3 tablespoon oil, then add 1 diced onion, saute until it turns soft. Add 3 to 4 minced garlic, diced capsicum, cook for 2 minutes. Then place the chicken pieces over the masala. You can make with mutton, beef cubes, ground beef, ground turkey, etc. Use whatever you have. Mix the chicken and cook for a couple of minutes. Now add 1 tablespoon black pepper powder, 2 tablespoons mixed spices powder and salt. Mix it well combined and cook for 5 minutes. Usually in Arabian dish doesn't much spicy. If you want more spiciness, then you can add 1 more tablespoon black pepper powder. Adding 3 cups water. For 1 cup rice, take 1.5 cups water. Then add 1 diced spring onion and 2 small dry lemon. Mix it, cover and let it boil. Now the chicken is ready. Remove the chicken pieces from the pot. Add the soaked rice, mix it and let it cook on medium heat for 7 to 8 minutes. Check the salt if needed, then add the salt. It's half cooked, take it off. Now I'm going to prepare the maqluba. Divide the rice into 2 parts. Take 1 tablespoon turmeric powder and add our first half of the rice. Mix it very gently so you don't break the rice. And the second half of the rice, add our cooked tomato paste and mix it all together. Again very gently. All are ready, now assemble. Take a thick bottom pot, add a tablespoon oil and spread all over the pot. First layer, place the half of the fried vegetables. Press it slightly, then place the chicken pieces over the vegetables. Then add the tomato rice. Press it a little bit, then add remaining vegetables over the red rice. Now we add the yellow rice. Press it again. You don't want to press too hard, then sprinkle some water or chicken stock. Cover with a foil and cook it on low heat for 20 to 25 minutes. It's serving time. Now put the flat pan on the pot and flip it. Tap the pot for everything comes out. Take it out the pot slowly. Now this is the final dish. Look at this, so colorful. This is how I make maqluba. I hope you enjoy it. Do try out. Please do like and share among with your friends and families. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. This is Shafana. Wait for what next in Shafa's Healthy Kitchen. Until then, stay at home, stay safe and stay happy. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.